Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to add buy two, get one free inside your Shopify store. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright guys, head on over to your admin.shopify.com and now you're inside your Shopify store here. So on this page here, you want to click onto discounts, left hand side of your page, and then you want to go ahead and click on create discount. And then from here, you want to select a buy X, get Y, discount products based on customers' purchases. So go ahead and click onto that. And then you want to click on automatic discount. And now for the title here, you want to type in something similar to buy two, get one free. Something like that would work. So yeah, that's been added in. Customers will see this in their cart and at checkout. And now where it says customer buys, minimum quantity of items, select 2, because as it says, buy 2 get 1 free. And now here, choose specific products. Go ahead and click on that. Click on specific products again. And now go ahead and search for products that you want to apply this buy 2 get 1 for free. Or you can simply click on browse. So I'm just going to do browse and choose this dummy PDF file. Now I'm going to add that. And then from here where it says customer gets, I'm going to do quantity of 1 and specific products. I'm going to browse. I'm going to use that dummy PDF file and add that in. And then scroll down again and then I'm going to check that free box. So as you can see, if customer buys 2 of those dummy PDFs, they will get 1 dummy PDF for free. And then once that is done, and then from here you're just going to go click on save discount. And yeah, that's it for this video guys. Buy 2 get 1 free was successfully created. Thanks for watching this to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.